Good evening, gentlemen. Welcome back to the old computer shack. Nothing much to report today. I put another coat of paint on the enclosure pieces from yesterday. I cleaned up the H17 hard sector floppy controller board and started pulling out ICs to repopulate it. There are a few that I don't have, and I don't have proper substitutes for, I don't think, so I had to order a couple. The actual controller is supposed to be here tomorrow, but until this random logic, old shit that nobody uses anymore, gets here, I won't have it done. I made the modifications to this thing for the zero org stuff to make the H8 run CPM. That involves removing a capacitor and a resistor up here and putting a jumper through the capacitor pad. That essentially disconnects the memory read line from the bus to the card and fixes it so that the onboard ROM can never get in, can never drive the bus, and then a new ROM is placed into the 8080 CPU card. Where's the ROM in this thing? I guess this is the ROM right here. Yeah. Is placed into the CPU card that contains the disk controller functionality, and then it gets disabled properly when RAM page 0 is swapped into place for the ROM. I'm not sure. It's got a couple of static RAMs on it, 2114s. I'm not sure what goes on with that. It looks to me like whenever you write to RAM, no matter whether it's in org0 mode or not, it always writes to both the system RAM and these two disk controller RAMs every time. That's a little funny, but I guess maybe it sort of makes sense from the standpoint of running out of ROM or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's about it. I've got a whole drawer full of 74 LS30s that test bad at 5 volts but test fine at 3.3 volts. That's using a TL866 to test them, so you know, maybe the tester's a piece of shit, but that's pretty peculiar. I had a couple of 74 S30s that tested fine, and I used one of those in the board. I assume that won't fuck the timing up too bad. People say no, I say maybe. I guess we'll find out. But in any case, I went ahead and ordered some of those since I had to get those other ICs anyway. I hope I didn't just waste a bunch of money and it's not the tester sampling the output pin too soon before it swings all the way up to 5 volts or something. I don't know. Joining me. Oh, by the way, if you're enjoying this crap, I've got a Discord server and a Matrix server. They're linked. Matrix is like the federated version of Discord for when you want to be really naughty or something. But the Discord server is super out of control, absolutely nuts, full of crazy people saying terribly offensive things, and it's a terrible place. But you should come and join it anyway, because only when normal people like you come and join the conversation will it become civilized. So come on over and don't worry about the crazy people, including myself. Alright, bye.